What's up, YouTube? Got some new parts in for the Streetfighter. Look closely over there. That's right. Got some stuff from CNC Racing. Let's check out and see what it is. Nice keychain. Looks like some stickers. Up. Check it out here. What do you think this is? Looks like a lever guard. CNC Racing lever guard. And look closely here, it has weights on it. I'll go into further detail about those in a second. We got here. Got the other side, got both sides. Here. Guys, finally. Got some bore end mirrors. Built with some quality, it won't break. Right there, so right there if you're looking for them. And some other quick thing about these things too, I'll get into that in a second. And here's the other side. Here. Okay, got a screw here. Right here on I have whenever you replace the bar end mirrors, you have to replace the stock screw because the stock screw is real long. So you gotta replace it with a shorter screw to make sure your fluid holders are intact and don't fall off. So these are actually quality made from CNC Racing. The ones I have on there now. I have bar enders on there now. Those ones are kind of cheap. Just got them from Amazon real quick, just for something, a quick solution. And these right here are for the front parts of the, kind of like the radiator screws. About a radiator, they're silver, and I wanted them black. And CNC Racing makes them. So I'm gonna replace those too. Alright, that's it, all empty. So let's unpack the stuff and we'll get it installed. Okay guys, we'll start with the bar end mirror. I believe this one is the brake side of the handlebars. So I'm gonna unpack this real quick. Yeah, so it would sit this way. Definitely good quality. Yeah. I'll give them a try. Because basically, what I bought it for. What I bought it for is it's these. But like I said, I'll get to that in a second. The other side. Part number there. Definitely good quality. Have some weight to them. Put that aside. Actually, see right here. Star to show us are these. What's the part number for that? See, it's a weight, so it has weights on them. And I recently bought bar and mirrors. You usually take off the bar and weights. So I want to make sure when I replace these mirrors, I kind of didn't want to do, but I kind of had to. I wanted to have mirrors and a lever guard at the same time. It's really lightweight, so these are good. So it has weight to it, so it has kind of like the same weight equal to like a bar end weight, so that we'll get that vibration in the handlebars for not having weights on. And I think that is my issue whenever I go on extended rides. I think I'm getting vibration in the handlebars, which is causing my hands to actually hurt after a while of riding. So this one has a good quality too. This one's ready to go. It's already pretty much together. Just like that. This will obviously be the clutch side. And here's the brake side. Roll it around. Like that. Sit there on the bike like that. So these will be cool. Can't wait to show those too after I install that. But let's get to the bike. Let's take off what I have on there and then get these mirrors installed and the guard levers. Alright, let's go. I gotta take off these bar and mirrors. Start underneath here. You gotta do it slow because you don't want to unscrew these metal pieces right here. These come with the stock bar weights, so you want to release this. I used a 6mm. I'm sorry, I used a 5mm to move this, and these are not stock, so these are aftermarket bar and mirrors, and a little flimsy bar and weight that they come with right here. So I'm gonna take it off here. Let me just take you over to the bench and I'll sit you guys down. Show you what we got left right here. We got that out, and here's the gold pieces to come with the bike with the stock bar and weights. So if you're going from stock to these, then you want to keep this metal part. Hold the screw back there and just twist this off. Two gold pieces together. Like that. I'm gonna set those to the side right there. Got that settled to the side. We got that right here like that. We're not going to screw anything in tight. So I'm going to grab the mirror. I'm going to remove this from here, from the mirror. It's big. I want to see it's a 4mm. Save this piece. Don't need that. Take this part, just add in there. Like I said, this came with the lever guard. We're not gonna worry about that right now. I'm gonna take this, set this here like that. Actually, it should go this way. Alright, so we're going to grab the bar and mirror, sit that in here, grab this, kind of sit that like that. This is also 4mm. Screw this in. You don't want to do it too tight because you want to adjust the mirror for your riding style. It's in there. Okay, that's it. So now we're gonna grab this. Remember, this is from the stock. And this is the aftermarket screw that goes into the goes into here. So you might as well slide it in. Like that. And put these in here like that. You wanna slide these on at the same time. That's the way you put them on. Determines how good you get it screwed in there into the bar end. Okay, that should be good enough. Actually, I'm gonna loosen up just a little bit. Right there. Right there's good enough. This is a 5mm. So we're gonna go over to the handlebars real quick and we're gonna install it just like that. Let's go. Okay guys, we got our setup right here. Right there like that. Like I said, screw right here. It's a 5mm. So we're gonna carefully the gold piece first. Remember, that's from stock. You wanna slide it in right here. Just like that. Now you want to see how you want it leveled, kind of like right there. You want to tight but not too tight because, like I said, you want to adjust it for your riding style. I think the length is good. You want to hit your hand when you're riding. I think that's good. Right there. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a hex and tighten this bottom one because I think that's the right way I want it. It's a 2.5mm. Okay. Done. So I'm gonna show you guys close up what I did, just in case you can't see that well on the camera. Okay, like I said, this was 5mm. Underneath here, I don't know if you guys can see. Right here, there's two little things right there. There's the 2.5mm, and I just tightened this one up right here. Here's the mirrors. They have like a little blue hint to them. Like I said, I ordered, I'll show you guys. I originally ordered this style of mirror, you know, like that. But they were out of stock. So they suggested these. And I wanted to try something different, so I'm like, I might as well try it and see if I like it. As far as circular ones go. But I'm gonna sit on the bike and I'm gonna see if I can get it level after that in a second, and then we can go on a ride. But yeah, I'm gonna try out these circular mirrors and see if I like them. What you guys think so far? What you guys think so far? I just can't really get a good idea inside the garage. Show you guys on the bike. replace this cheapy screw right here too real quick. The CNC Racing one. Hold on 1 second, sit you guys down. Yeah, here's the size right here. It's an M8 by 1.25. So I'm just gonna screw this one real quick. Oof. That's better. And the little cheap ones starting to fade right here. I mean, did their part, but are starting to turn silver. Yeah, there we go, that's that. Both replaced. Both sides done. Right here. Got the mirror. Got the lever guard. And I also gotta replace these down here. I mean, it's pretty easy. I'm gonna start you guys off video. Okay. Take this one off right here. It's 4mm. This one's not even tight though. It's not good. Is it all done? Alright guys, got everything installed. Down here. And up here. Alright, let's go on a ride.